this is going to be a tough one. You see, I've just lost my job. And honestly, it kind of feels like my world is falling apart. But instead of letting this be the end of my story, I'm going to make it become the beginning of something new. And I'm going to start my own business through content creation. So today in this video, I'm going to share how losing my job has pushed me to build a career on YouTube through YouTube AdSense, through affiliate marketing, through brand deals, and through a content creation course. And if you're thinking about doing the same, which I really, really hope you are, it's your sign to do it too. You've clicked my video. It seems like you want to do it. So I'm going to help you do that today. You see, the moment I lost my job, everything changed. Suddenly, I was kind of faced with this pressure of supporting my family. I have a wife and a beautiful daughter. I have to pay my mortgage each month, and I have to try and figure out what's next. But the thing is, I've always been passionate about content creation. I've always been passionate about it, whether it's video, photography, or even storytelling. I've created musicals in the past. I've written plays. I've tried to be a vlogger, and now I'm really passionate about it. This camera that I'm using today, the Canon 5D Mark IV, which I have a link for in the description. If you are thinking about getting a real nice camera, I would highly recommend it. But this camera I'm using, I won on a crew bingo when I was an entertainer back a few years ago. I won this and I started my journey into photography, into content creation, and I started vlogging, and I really enjoyed it, and I still want to do it today. So I'm starting to make the decision to start a business as a content creator. Before, I was just doing it as a hobby. Now it's a business. I'm going to take you through my journey of how I'm building this business, from growing on YouTube to earning through things like affiliate marketing and also brand deals, hopefully. I'll also share my steps that I'm taking to make this work and how you can do it too, so get locked in with this one. You see, when I lost my job, it wasn't just the financial impact that really hit me. It was the realization that I needed to take control of my future. I've always had a job. I've always worked for somebody else. And to me, it just wasn't as fulfilling as starting something on my own. Working for someone else started to get a bit overwhelming, bizarrely. I really wanted to take direction of my own life. But for a while, as I was starting to do this, I struggled to find the inspiration and the direction I wanted to go in. I kind of think I'm riddled with ADHD, and I have hyper-focus attention, whatever it is. So I focus on something for weeks on end and then drop it like it was nothing to me. I'm big into all things. I like to learn. I love sports, and I love going in loads of different directions. So this was hard for me to grasp exactly what I wanted to do. But I was able to fill a load of them blanks in my life by doing content creation. And I'm now more driven than ever to write content, create, and hopefully inspire others to take control of their own journeys. So that's when I decided to go all in on this content creation and turn my skills that I've learned over various different things into a business that I can build on my own terms. So you might be asking, how am I going to turn this content creation into a business? You see, I'm focusing on 4 key areas that can hopefully generate real income. The first is YouTube. Second is affiliate marketing. The third is sponsorships. And the fourth is eventually creating a content creation course to help people like you do the same as me. YouTube, first and foremost, I'm building a YouTube channel, and I'm hopefully going to start getting some AdSense and monetization from this channel. I'm already at the monetization level, which means I've got 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, and I'm aiming to monetize through ads, affiliate links, and much more within my YouTube. See, now I've got that 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, I can put ads mid-roll in these videos. You'll probably have one in this video. And it means every ad that is played, I earn a little bit of money. And the more eyes on my content, the more money for me, which is great. And you can do the same. I think through YouTube, consistency is literally key. So that's going to be my focus, trying to upload regularly and get a good schedule for myself and a good schedule for you guys so that you can see my content daily. Affiliate marketing is the next one. And I've recently signed up for the Amazon affiliate program. So I'm starting to promote the products that I actually use, like you've seen earlier when I talked about my Canon camera. I also want to big up, because I've just done a video about it, this softbox lighting kit that I use in my videos. It's right above me here, and it costs only £44, and I'm going to put the link in the description as well. And if you click that link, it will send you to Amazon, and I can earn some commission from that. I'm not doing anything wrong. I'm not trying to force you to buy a product. I'll literally just drop a link in there that will send you to a product that you might think you want as well as a content creator, and then I'll earn a little bit of commission from that. It's a fantastic way of earning passive income. And it's me recommending gear that I actually use. So for a content creator to inspire another content creator, I just think that's a really great thing. The next is sponsorship and brand deals. So as my channel grows, I'm looking to secure sponsorships and brand deals. I don't think they'll come in straight away, but once my channel grows and gets some solid views and I get some solid subscribers, I think these partnerships will start to come to me. And they're a great way to build income streams by collaborating with companies that kind of align with my brand and values. At the moment, I use Artlist, and again, this is not a paid ad deal, but I recommend Artlist to anyone because it's got music, it's got voiceovers, it's got footage, and it's got SFX, and it's a great all-in-one encompassing tool for content creators. I bought a year program, but I'm hoping one day in the future they will sponsor me, so shout out to Artlist. Now, the next one is creating a course, and this is one of my main pillars and one of my main focuses. I'm working on creating a course to teach others how to follow a similar path as me. I've learned so much throughout my journey already, from YouTube, from buying courses, from other content creators, and I think it's a great way to learn. So these content strategies to navigating YouTube's algorithm, creating content, having the focus and the consistency, I want to package all that up into one little thing, the knowledge that I've learned, into something that can help others kickstart their own journey to becoming content creators. And I think that's massively impactful. The biggest challenge for me right now is financial, and I get that that will be a challenge for every budding content creator that's wanting to get into this, into content creation and into YouTube. So I do want to put it at a great deal for all you people. So if you want to be a part of that, I'm going to put a link in the description for an email waiting list. And as soon as I've got my content creation course ready, click that, you will get an email and you can click that link and start with me on this journey. I think it's going to be so impactful, and I think it's going to build something sustainable and worthy for all you budding content creators. Now, here's the good news. These 4 pillars, YouTube, affiliate, sponsorships, and creating a course, they're all proven ways to make money online, and you can do it too. Yes, they take time to build, but doesn't any business? And when it's done right, they can create multiple streams of passive income. Once you've got them online, they stay online forever, and you just have to market them then. So if you're watching this and you're thinking, I want to do the same, the good news is you can. Starting a content creation business it's not reserved for like a select few amount of people. It's about taking small, actionable steps every day to get going. It's doing 1% every day. 1% better every day will get you to the place you need to be. And that is why I'm so inspired right now. All I think you have to do is find your niche. It doesn't have to be perfect straight away. Just start. Just press record and start recording. The key is to get comfortable creating, and that's where I feel I am right now. My first video wasn't good by any means, but it's about putting myself out there. And as I grow, I'm refining my focus, and that's what you need to do too. The next thing I would recommend is consistency. Consistency is key. You hear it everywhere, and it is everything. Whether it's YouTube videos, blog posts, social media, podcasts, whatever you want to build to create your content creation, showing up regularly is what builds that momentum. So don't worry if it's not perfect. You have to focus on progress over progression. And finally, take advantage of opportunities around you. If you see other content creators wanting to do work with you, do it with them. Sign up for these affiliate programs. Reach out to some brands that align with your products, and consider offering your own products or services like a course. Each of these steps will eventually move you closer to building that sustainable business. I'm hoping to earn £50,000 by the end of the year. That is my ultimate goal. And then for the next year, I want to double that and earn £100,000. So if you want to do the same, if you want to learn from me and do the same, please follow me along with this journey. Check out this other video. I think it's massively important to your content creation. It will give you a load of tips. And don't forget to check out those affiliate links below. Please subscribe and like. Why don't you? Do it. See you later. Peace.